We invite you to explore our world of extraordinary hardwood flooring solutions provided through the Pinery Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We are extremely proud of offering top-quality craftsmanship and experience to turn your home into something more than amazing. If you're in search of the traditional hardwood floor or an exotic floor, our highly trained team of professionals is here to fulfill all your requirements. We're experts in the installation, repair, and restoration of exotic or traditional hardwood flooring. We restore their original splendor and ensure that they endure the test of time. We also provide top-quality solutions for hardwood stairs, installation repairs, maintenance, and refinishing, creating a seamless flow through the whole house. But what distinguishes us is our distinctive method of dustless sanding. There's no annoyance or mess and incredible results. We realize that certain places may require more focus. This is why we offer top-quality laminate flooring and premium vinyl plank flooring that meets the demands of high moisture and traffic areas such as kitchens and bathrooms. You can be assured of the fact that in even the most crowded areas, our flooring options will surpass your expectations. We believe in providing individualized solutions to each of our clients. Our experts will guide you through every step to make sure your dreams become a possibility. At the Pinery Colorado Hardwood Flooring, our mission is to design a room that's more than just beautiful for you. We will be the one-stop source for everything you need for hardwood flooring. Choose the Pinery Colorado Hardwood Flooring to get top-quality hardwood flooring options. Contact us using the link below, and we'll help you bring your ideas to your home or business.